one different word for me. What's that word? Said I want to breathe. He told the guy, he said, when you want to succeed, as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.